Hi, I'm Charmaine Allison. I'm Eulahia from BSc M2A. And my narrative impression about Sir Butch is that at first I thought that he's a very strict professor. But then when he started teaching us, I realized that he is a very cheerful person. Actually, he likes to joke around us when he is conducting his lectures. And he has this friendly vibes around him that says that you can approach him anytime. Sir Butch makes learning PE lessons fun. He's not a very intimidating professor because there are some professors that um, students actually scared of talking to them, but with Sir Butch, you can easily express yourself and say your opinion without getting scared or intimidated. And most of the students, like me, uh, prefer that to a prefer that attitude from a professor. He he is just like our friend, but then of course we still respect him. And next is my learning experience in this subject. My learning experience in this subject had been very fun because I got to play badminton and table tennis. Back then, I had already played badminton, but never the table tennis. That's why I became very excited when Sir told us that we are going to play table tennis. I am a fan of table tennis, and when I got to play it, I got really happy, and I actually on our last practical test, I am ranked second. Um, yeah, that's my learning experience, and also my learning experience in this subject had been like a workout because we have to move a lot, and we are also sweating a lot, so it's like a workout for me. Then next, what are the things that I've learned in this subject? Actually, there are many things that I've learned in this subject, such as I've learned the history of badminton and the history of table tennis. Then the parts of a badminton racket, such as the head, the frame, the shaft, and the grip or the handle. And also there are two types of badminton, the oval head and the isometric. And then when it comes to table tennis, I've learned its parts, the rubber, the foam, and the handle. And there is also what they call the pimpled face of a table tennis racket. And also, I've learned the parts of a badminton court wherein 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 it differs from doubles from and singles. Then I've also learned the different service, the short service and the long service. And also in table tennis, I've learned how to serve properly, though I'm not that good in service. Then Sir also taught us how to receive. Then actually, Sir Butch told us to make an improvised table tennis racket, and actually the one that I made is a little wonky, or it's not that good in quality, but it can pass. Yeah, it can pass. Then next, what are what are my suggestions for the improvement of this subject? Actually, there are just a few suggestions that I had in my mind. I could suggest that there should be more equipment in for this subject so that the students can fully enjoy the sport. And I think for me, I would prefer to have lesson first than practical first then lesson, so that I will be able to know the mechanics of a particular sport before applying it. And that's all. Thank you. I'm going to sing one of my favorite songs entitled Ako'y Sayote Kay Akin Lamang by IX. At sabihin, ipaalala sa iyo ang nagkalimutang sumpaan na ako'y sa'yo at ika'y akin lamang.